So welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. I am back with a new learning opportunity for all the people. Now before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. The opportunity is related to Google Cloud Infrastructure for AWS Professional. Anyone can take part in it, and here you can see they have just divided the regions and class schedules. Now benefit is that you'll be getting some cool goodies, some cool certification, renewal chances. Okay, so depending on your region where you reside, if you are from EMEA, you can see the dates over here for APAC, for AMER and LATAM. So here you can see how to register depending on the dates you want to just watch the sessions. You have to simply click on register. So you can see February is still approaching. So simply click on register over here. You'll be redirected to this particular page. And here you can see all these sessions. Okay, there'll be some cool sessions over here. And here to register, first of all, let me clear this event is only for the working professional. If you are a student, you cannot take part in it. But if you are a student, you can try to take part in the different event, which is the free GCP certification 2026. I've attached the link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Whether you are working professional or not, you can take benefit of it. You'll be also getting the goodies and free GenAI certification exam voucher worth $99, that too free of cost. So here you have to simply click on register over here. When you click on register, after that you have to click on next, and then you have to enter your name and which partner company where you work. So you can just mention over here and from which region you are joining, APAC, and just select your country. And after that, just select anyone and simply register it. So this is how we register it. Regarding the communication, all the emails will be sent to you, whatever email you have used for registration in the event. So just wait for it. You'll be processing the email registration. One more important thing, do not worry, take part in this event. You'll be learning a lot through the sessions. And do like the video and subscribe the channel for more amazing opportunity. Here you'll be getting cool goodies also. So stay tuned till the end. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.